A wonderful quiet community in North Pointe. Double wide home with land. Home is sold with a second lot on the corner that has sewer/water hookup in place, front porch to relax, 3 bedrooms 2 full baths, split floor plan, large kitchen with breakfast bar, lots of cabinets and countertop space, pantry, large living room with high ceilings, sliders to large 2018 fenced-in backyard with great size patio, formal dining room, family room with stone fireplace, separate laundry room, master bedroom with walk-in closet, tiled ensuite with walk-in shower and garden tub, double sink vanity, in second bath. All new fixtures replaced 2020, community pool, roof replaced in 2017, new 2025 ton HVAC, screens replaced 2017.